Hi. Hello.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
Fortnite Battle Pass. I just shit out my ass, booted up my PC, cause I need to get that Fortnite Battle Pass. I like Fortnite, did I mention Fortnite? I like Fortnite, it's nighttime, I mean it's 5 o'clock, that's basically nighttime. Now I remember Cartoon Network, Adventure Time.
Hey, disconnected!
Yeah, boy.
Hey, this man just, I don't want to do this no more.
I got you, fam!
No.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
But I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Man, I'm dead. Oh, my leg!
No.
Hey, yo, the pizza here. Oh, nigga!
My ears burn.
What the dog doing?
This kid's definitely on crack right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy!
Yes! 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 No! 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 Fuck! Shit!
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.